ocean. We dream of a world beyond it. A dream. We open a future more than it. With our creativity and challenge, we are leading the world. The world's best company, STX. We create the future that everybody dreams of. Dream and future, STX. The world is watching the astonishing growth of STX. STX Business Group engages in shipping and trading, shipbuilding and machineries, plant and construction, energy business, concentrating on these 4 core business areas, starting from STX Corporation, STX Pan Ocean, STX Shipbuilding, Engine, Heavy Industries, and PACO, STX Construction, STX Energy to STX Solar. All are expanding their respective business areas in every part of the world, maximizing the synergy effect. STX Corporation, the holding company, not only provides funding and investments to all its affiliates, but also actively engages in new business areas, leading the group to a bright future. To connect the world as one, we transport customers' trust and confidence. STX operates a fleet of 500 vessels, the largest in Korea, and is engaged in world-class bulk carriers, LNG carriers, tankers, car carriers, container ships, and other various shipping services. Continued fleet expansion, stronger competence in LNG carrier and very large crude oil carrier markets, and advances into port operations and complex logistics and marine leisure business. With these efforts for business diversification strategies, we will ensure a stable foundation for further growth. Meanwhile, our ship management and S&P business, coal, oil, steel, and machinery trades maximize the synergy effect. Through development and deployment of SAMES, a digital management system, we offer advanced services to our customers and will continue to secure beachheads across the globe. By the year of 2010, becoming one of the world's top 5 shipping companies is the port we are vigorously sailing for. Our extensive experience and superior technologies are the source of unparalleled competitiveness. STX participates in the management of Aker Yards, the world's largest cruise shipbuilder. As the biggest shareholder, we are standing high as a major global shipbuilding group. STX operates shipyards in Jinhae and Busan in Korea, building LNG carriers, VLCCs, and mega container ships. Shipyards in Dalian in China, building bulk carriers and car carriers. Cruise ships in Finland and France. Offshore plants and icebreakers in Norway. Container ships in Germany. And specialized ships in Brazil. Through our established portfolio of specialized shipbuilding, we build 200 ships a year at 22 shipyards in 10 countries around the world. Starting from the semi-tandem method, which creates the world's highest dock turnover rate, the world's first SLS on-ground shipbuilding method using skid barges, the marine shipbuilding method using floating docks, to the source technology of Aker yards that is superlative in the field of cruise ships and specialized ships. We achieve an extraordinary production efficiency based on these excelling technologies of STX. Offshore business is another area we actively pursue, ranging from fixed offshore platform, floating offshore facilities including FPSO, to drilling facilities. We produce various marine plants, thereby ensuring that we have continuous growth engines. STX is a comprehensive diesel engine specialist with an annual production capacity of 8 million horsepower, producing marine and industrial low-speed, medium-speed, and high-speed diesel engines and gas engines. STX has also built a factory dedicated to making high-voltage generator engines, leading the marine and industrial generator engine market, as well as the market of generator engines for marine plants. We are in partnership with world-leading diesel makers like MAN Diesel, MTU, and Cummins, so that we can supply globally recognized industrial diesel engines. In particular, the medium-speed marine diesel engine, which was selected as world-class in 2004, has an unchallenged global market share. The core competence of STX's shipbuilding and machineries starts from the use of top-quality basic materials. From the casting and forging of basic materials, crankshafts, turbochargers, and other key components of diesel engines, to deck houses and vessel devices, including cargo oil pumps. We have come to own relevant core technologies through innovative R&D and have expanded global production bases steadily. In particular, on a 5.5 million square meter site in Changjing Island, Dalian City, China, we have built the STX Dalian Shipbuilding Complex, where everything from basic materials processing, engine assembly, block manufacture and shipbuilding, to marine structure production is handled by a specialized production system. We are leaping forward as one of the world's major shipbuilding and machinery groups. Meanwhile, STX makes stable improvements in the military industry, which is a technology-intensive industry. STX supplies the South Korean Army's K-1A1 tanks and K-9 self-propelled howitzers, as well as the Navy's destroyers and patrol boats, with the high-speed diesel engines of 1 million horsepower annually. And participates in the Next Generation Patrol Boat (PKX) project, leading the military shipbuilding business as well. Also, underwater acoustic systems, combat systems, and other electronic communication equipment developed for the defense industry are developed in actual combat situations, thereby contributing greatly to strengthening Korea's military. We build an abundant future based on our know-how and excelling technology. Based on its know-how and technology in the engine sector, diesel engine power plants, gas engine power plants, wind power plants, solar power plants, flue gas desulfurization system, flue gas denitrification system, electrostatic precipitator, wastewater treatment system, STX is coming to the front in the global market. STX's prowess in coal power and combined cycle power plants, industrial and marine boiler plants, oil refinery, cement, and chemical plants are being further expanded and strengthened. Thus, STX is emerging as the leading company in the plant sector. Based on our extensive experience in civil engineering and architecture, STX is briskly expanding into the apartment construction market. From overseas port facilities, shipyards, plants, to the construction of a marine city, STX has built a comprehensive foundation for construction business and has been actively promoting overseas construction projects to emerge as the industry's key player. We promise clean energy and a healthy environment to protect our future. At Korea's largest cogeneration plants, Kumi and Panwell plants, STX has been simultaneously producing and supplying steam and electricity, and has been contributing to our clients' cost reduction through high energy efficiency. For the safe and clean energy environment, STX promotes lively solar power and wind power business. Nickel mines in Ambatovi, Africa, coal mines in Indonesia and Mongolia, oil field development in Ireland, and other overseas resource development projects by STX are also underway. And in Pintan, Indonesia, we are building power plants to expand our capabilities in the overseas power plant business. Furthermore, tank terminal, bunkering, domestic oil refining, and distribution businesses are being pursued to optimize STX's business structure. From energy sources development, transport, processing to sales, STX is offering a one-stop comprehensive energy service. We dream of an abundant future shared with our customers, neighbors, and society. By sharing continuously through the STX Welfare and Scholarship Foundations, support for STX Seoul, Gyeongnam FC, and small and medium partner companies, and various volunteer activities for the community. STX is making contributions to society in order to fulfill its responsibilities and obligations as a corporate citizen. Utilizing our creative global talents, STX is constantly challenging itself for a sustainable future. Our future begins right here, right now. The future we all dream of. In 2010, when our vision is realized, STX will have the world's top 5 shipping company, the world's top shipyard, and the world's top engine maker. With a differentiated comprehensive service as the world's best business group, STX will stand on top of the world. To the ocean, toward the world, for the future. We are the ones who cultivate a territory of dreams. STX will become your dreams and future. World's best. STX.